The next question is integration minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, 1 by e power sin x plus 1 dx. 1 by e power sin x plus 1 dx. So here also the limits are again minus of a2 plus a. So if I put minus x in the place of x, if it is an even function, the integration becomes 2 times 0 to pi by 2. If it is an odd function, the integration will become 0. So first let us see whether this function 1 by e power sin x plus 1 is an odd function or an even function. So what is f of minus x? 1 by e power sin of minus x is minus sin x plus 1. That is equal to 1 by e power minus sin x is 1 by e power sin x plus 1. So if you take LCM, it becomes e power sin x by 1 plus e power sin x. E power sin x by 1 plus e power sin x. So this function is completely different from the function. So this function is neither even nor odd. And the difficulty is that this function cannot be split into even parts and odd parts, as we have done in previous questions. So in these type of questions we use different property. So the property is that integration a to b fx dx is equal to integration a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. So if you have integration from minus a to a f of x dx, this is equal to integration from minus a to a f of minus a plus a minus x. Minus a plus a becomes 0. So you have minus x dx. So whenever you have integration from minus a to plus a, so if you put minus x in the place of x, the integral does not change. Integration minus a to a fx dx is same as integration minus a to a f of minus x dx. So I hope you are understanding this. So how we use this is, let I is equal to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 1 by e power sin x plus 1 dx. This I is also equal to integration minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 1 by e power sin of minus x is minus sin x plus 1 dx. We have already simplified this. This becomes this, that is equal to integration minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 e power sin x by 1 plus e power sin x dx. So this be equation 1, this be equation 2. So what happens if I add these two? 2i is equal to integration minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So if you add these two, something nice happens. 1 plus e power sin x by 1 plus e power sin x 1 dx. That is equal to x from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, which is equal to pi by 2 minus of minus pi by 2 pi. So 2i is equal to pi, hence I is equal to pi by 2 is the answer. So whenever you have limits minus a to plus a, the function, if it is neither even nor odd, what you can do is you can put minus x in the place of x and the value of integral does not change. That is a property which you can take advantage of. So let us take this integration. Integration minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos x by 1 plus e power x dx. So whenever the limits are of the form minus a to a, the first thing that we do is check whether the function is even or odd. If I take fx is equal to cos x by 1 plus e power x, f of minus x is equal to cos of minus x is same as cos x by 1 plus e power minus x. So as you can see, this f of minus x is neither equal to f of x or equal to minus f of x. So this is neither even nor odd. So this function is neither even nor odd. So what you do? So let I is equal to integration minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos x by 1 plus e power x dx. So if the function is neither even nor odd, what we do is we substitute minus x in the place of x. The value of integral does not change. I is also equal to cos of minus x is cos x by 1 plus e power minus x dx. These two integrals are exactly same. If you simplify this, you get minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. If you take e power minus x as 1 by e power x, you get cos x e power x by 1 plus e power x dx. So if you add these two, 2i is equal to integration minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So if you add these two, cos x is common, 1 plus e power x by 1 plus e power x dx. So these two gets cancelled. So minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos x dx. That is equal to, so cos x is an even function because cos of minus x is equal to plus cos x. I write as 2 times 0 to pi by 2 cos x dx. So this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. So I is equal to integration of cos x dx 0 to pi by 2 is sin x from 0 to pi by 2, which is equal to 1. So this integral is equal to